back to my channel. On today's episode, I'm going to be installing a front body kit on a 2019 Mitsubishi Outlander. Guys, to install the body kit, you will need to drill 4 holes in your front bumper to mount it. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And as you can see, I have already drilled it on the bumper. Now I will place the body kit and then I will screw the 4 bolts from the behind. Here is it, guys. I have finally installed it and it looks way better. Here is the 4 screws, 1, 2, 3 and the last one.